Hi, in this video I am going to implement Dependency Injection Hilt in Kotlin project and also implement Encrypted Shared Preference. So let's get started. So here is the project demo, taking a checkbox that shared preference is working or not. Just close the application. And checkbox is checked. So shared preference is working fine. So let's go to the code. So at first we added some dependency. Okay, sync now. Now create a Kotlin class, application, that we annotate Hilt Android app, application android.application, and in the manifest file android name dot application. Now create another Kotlin class, shared pref manager, inject constructor, application context, private val context, taking a function, get shared pref, shared preferences, return encrypt shared preferences dot create context, app, taking another function, private get master key, return if build.version dot SDK int is greater than or equal build.version code.am master key.builder context set key scheme master key dot key scheme dot build else master key dot builder context dot set key scheme dot build. Okay, now here get master key encrypted shared preference dot pref key encrypted scheme comma encrypted shared preference dot pre value encrypted scheme. Okay, now take another Kotlin class. That is object system service module add the annotation module install in singleton component provides singleton and taking a function shared pref manager shared preference equal shared pref manager dot get shared pref. Now go to the main activity and added another annotation Android endpoints. Now go to the XML design, taking a checkbox taking a variable of checkbox latent var checkbox equal to find view by id r.id.checkbox checkbox dot set on check change listener and a condition if checkbox is checked then we add the shared preference value. So inject shared preference latent var shared preference so if checkbox is checked then shared preference dot edit put string that is a key and yes, that is a value that is stored in shared preference dot apply. Else just change the value no. I'll add another condition. If shared preference dot get string checkbox dot equals yes, then checkbox is checkbox dot is checked equals to true. So we use this condition because if the shared preference is already stored yes, then checkbox is checked. Okay, let's run the code. There is an error, so let's check it out. Okay, just change the version, Java version 17. JVM target 17. Sync now. Okay, let's run again. Okay, so initially checkbox is not checked, so we checked it now. Okay, just close the application. Okay, just close the application and reopen the app. Oh, checkbox is not checked, but it should be checked. Okay, let's check the code. Okay, this statement should be above of checkbox change listener. Okay, run again. Okay, now it's working fine. Thank you so much.